Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Stash account. So if you just recently created your Stash account and are wondering how exactly you can log into your account, I'm going to show you how this is possible. So for this, first of all, open up your Stash app and then tap on the login button. Once you tap on the login button, all you have to do is enter your email address in this section and then also enter your password. Once you do so, tap on the login button and eventually you'll be able to see that you'll get logged into your account and you can embrace the wonderful opportunities of banking and investing in a single app. So this is basically how you can log in. I hope that with the help of this video you'll be able to log into your own Stash account. If you do so, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification so that you get reminded every single time that we come up with a new tutorial video on how to geek. Thanks a lot for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.